Yes, everyone. Thank you, everybody. Totally enjoyed the show. Da, 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 da. Yes, everyone. You guys are fabulous. Da, 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 da. Melina, Melina is queen in the world. Oh, no, 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 no. All right, guys. You guys are fabulous, dogs. You guys are fabulous. And remember, guys, if somebody wants to date you or someone really likes you, they will let you know, okay? They will let you know. You don't have to worry. If you're going to be meant to be married to someone or you're going to be meant to be with someone, they're going to be able to tell you that because you're going to be able to hang out on a regular basis. You're going to be able to spend time with them no matter what. It's not going to be rocket science, right? Like it's not going to be like a guessing game or difficult to tell, right? If somebody is available and really wants you, they will let you know, okay? Alright, totally enjoyed the show, guys. Bye now.